see my screen, Rich?
Yes.
Now I will hit play. Oh, encountered a problem. One moment, everybody. I had this open, ready to roll.
Well, a lot of exciting things going on here, Woodward. And it's kind of fun to put a webinar like this together to share
Power
some of the
management
Here it goes.
enthusiasts.
Sorry.
Oh, here it
I'm
goes.
Simon, and it's an honor to bring you the latest update.
Is the audio working, Rich?
Yes.
Okay.
It's today. I'm thrilled to announce that EasyView release 3.0 is officially here, and it's packed with exciting upgrades to elevate your operations. First, the 4th genset is back, fully restored and ready to meet your power needs after resolving technical challenges. You might remember our previous service bulletin on that matter. Next, we've supercharged our custom SCADA functionality, which allows you to freely build any visualization based on your needs. Our 10 and 15-inch display now support up to 18 devices, along with an impressive 9,000 mirror nodes. Mirror nodes are visual representations of data points, such as variables or objects, and these are used for effective processing within the advice system. So that's an impressive 9,000 mirror nodes, up from just 1,500. Additionally, we support 150 CCDs, or concurrently connected data points. These are all data points which are displayed simultaneously in the screen. So that's up 150 CCDs from only 60. So this upgrade means greater flexibility, scalability, and control to empower your projects. And finally, the LS6 integration has been improved to make your custom SCADA projects smoother and more efficient than ever. We've also prepared a more detailed tabular overview for these upgrades to create a better clarity. Plus, there is a new product specification in the works to help you promote the EasyView 3.0 to your customers effectively. We have a new DTSC 200A package 2. This package 2 comes with a built-in Modbus TCP. No need for external converters, so this makes the entire setup in the switchgear significantly more efficient. It's a fully released product as well. To also compare package 1 and package 2, the difference is truly the activation of the Modbus TCP, the Ethernet port. It's in the back of the device. In the future, there will be another release coming up, which allows you to do field upgrades from package 1 to package 2. This has not been released yet. So the upgrade feature is not there. The Ethernet port feature is there. Standard communication interfaces are CAN open, RS485 Modbus, and USB connections. We have also multiple new sales collaterals available. There's a product spec, sales manager sales presentations, which you will find in our sales kit. And there is a sales presentation in our channel partner Collab shared drive. So far, so good. Is the EasyFlex 3000 XT. So I'm very pleased to announce that this has been released as well. The EasyFlex 3000 XT, Woodward's latest customizable controller, built for flexibility and performance. The EasyFlex 3000 XT lets users design tailored applications using Woodward's GAP software, supporting a wide range of signals and control types. It's ideal for applications like gensets, BSS battery energy storage systems, BSS battery energy storage systems, PV photovoltaic, and more. And it integrates seamlessly with Woodward's purpose-built controllers like the EasyGen 3000. As it is built on the proven EasyGen 3000 XT hardware, the EasyFlex also serves as a supervisory controller for energy management systems, power management systems, and microgrid controllers. So it essentially operates at a higher architectural level than the EasyGen to deliver a centralized controller. Powered by Woodward's GAP software, the EasyFlex enables block-based programming, real-time monitoring, and self-documentation, simplifying the development while ensuring scalable and reliable control solutions. The EasyFlex 3000 XT is a versatile, customizable solution for modern energy solutions. The EasyFlex has a multi-signal interface, meaning it supports voltage, current, analog, and digital signals, and third-party control interfaces, meaning it could function as a master controller, a gateway, or a real power sensor, and an I/O card, or all of it at once. So it does load measurement. It can be used as a synchronizer for generator and bus. It can also just be an I/O card, as I mentioned already. For example, to connect to a Flex 500. And you can use a redundant CAN bus to connect to it. On this slide, I'd like to share with you an application built by Turner ECS. It's a really good partner in Europe for power management and other products around Woodward's engine product portfolio. So Turner, they built a very good application for variable speed, something never been done on an EasyGen. So it connects to a small engine product, the SECM 70-120, and then they built a variable speed application, so controlling the inverter, a battery, and yeah, the engine itself via a bus system. So I find it very impressive how Turner enhanced Woodward's standard products or functionality and utilized things to build something totally new, a totally new application built with a custom GAP software. So kudos to Turner. If you would like to know more, there's a knowledge base article on support.easygen.org. Just search for variable speed. Thank you very much for that, Turner. If you'd like to know more about EasyGens or power management products in general, like automatic transfer switches, you will find a lot more on easygen.org, and like tutorials, frequently asked questions, and even our news article. Please feel free to contact me directly under simon.adolfi@woodward.com. Looking forward to hear from you.
All right, that is Simon's presentation on power management. Rich, I think you don't have any more slides, correct?
I don't, thank goodness.
All right. All right. We're a little short on time, but we will go through a few questions here. There we go. So the first one that is not answered, and just since we are short on time, I probably won't go through every single one of these, just the ones that we haven't answered directly. This one is from Natsuki from Woods Corp in Japan. Please comment on how Woodward has been affected, especially around production and procurement cost base, by the reciprocal tariffs introduced over the past few months, and if Woodward is more severely or less severely affected relative to competitors. I actually don't know the answer to this. I don't know if Rich or Andy, you do.
You know, and this is more of a supply chain type of question. Although I understand we're pretty well positioned there, but I agree with what you're saying. We're kind of running out of time here, so let's answer a bunch of these questions later. Good question, and
Okay.
and you know, Mr. Doug Larson had quite a few questions in there. Great questions. We'll get back to those, and even this tariff-based question. But I think we're better off
Answering
asking
offline.
our procurement team really to provide a better answer to that question than we can give.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Okay. So I do want to say I think we're going to wrap up now, but thank you, team, for attending. And we had great attendance again, And thank you for the questions, Doug and team, that you guys brought on the questions. Hopefully, we've answered a bunch of your questions today. And please realize this is the first of many. So every quarter we want to bring this out. We want to really use this to educate and to share marketing's information with the sales team.
Sounds great. Thank you, Rich. Thanks everybody for joining, and we'll send out the recording and everything later in a couple of days. Yep.
Yes, we will. See
right.
you next time, guys. Thanks
See you next
for
time.
joining.
Ending.